Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code with Khan Developer. Today we are going to learn CSS animations. What is animation? Animation are used to move elements smoothly on the screen, like moving box, loading spinner, sliding content, rotating icon. First, open VS Code, creating here div, giving a class name box. Now I'm styling this box. Here I'm creating style tag. Inside this style tag, I'm styling box. Width is 100 pixel. Height is 100 pixel to the box background brown. Open with live screen and see. Now you can see a brown box on the screen. Now I'm centering the box so animation is clearly visible. Body tag, body, display flex, justify content, center, align items, center, 100 VH, background, black. Save and see. Now the box is exactly in the center of the screen. Now the main part is what is at the rate keyframe. At the rate keyframes used to define animation steps. It tells the browser how an element should move or change during animation. Here I'm writing at the rate keyframes. Identifier name is movebox. From transform, translate y-axis 0, then 2, transform, translate x-axis 300 pixels. Understand this. From means starting point, to means ending point. So the box moves from left side to right side. Now I am connecting animation to the box. Animation name move box. This tells the box use move box animation. Now I am setting animation speed, animation duration. Now I want animation to repeat. Animation iteration count infinite. Infinite means animation will never stop. Now I'm adding direction. Animation direction. Alternate. This means first it moves forward, then it come back like a ping pong movement. Save. Now see the output. You can see the box moving left to right smoothly. It starts, it moves, it comes back and keep repeating. This is CSS animations. Today we learn at the rate keyframes, animation steps, animation name, connect animation, animation duration, speed, animation iteration count, repeat, animation direction, forward back movement. So that's it for today's video. Practice this and try changing values yourself. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment. Thank you for watching.